Hey y'all, I'll tell you what, I am feeling like crap today. I just can't kick this. So I'm doing the old-fashioned feel-good method. I'm making me some chicken noodle soup. I am just not, get in there, get in there. I am just not feeling it. I got sick the other night at work. Thought that I was gonna have to come home. Really nauseated. I like to not use all of the water with mine. I like it to be a little concentrated. Sometimes I like to put a little bouillon in there and let it melt somewhat, because I like mine more chickeny. I don't like it watery. I'm gonna pop a bouillon in there, and I better put a little extra water in it. I ain't no making no homemade in the kitchen with Sandy chicken soup today. I'm telling you, I really feel like crap. I can't get this stupid thing open. But I'm gonna make me some chicken noodle soup and some crackers and get me a big cup of ice water and just try to feel better. I'm gonna put me lots of pepper in it too. Lots of pepper. Okay, so today is Tuesday, and everybody knows Tuesday is Taco Tuesday. It's state rules. Everywhere you live, all the United States, it's Taco Tuesday. Everybody has to have tacos, so I hope that's what you're making for dinner tonight, because that's what I'm making. We're having soft tacos and hard tacos, and I am not focusing here. Oh well, let's go down to the meat so you can see the meat anyway. I've got my meat already done there. It's just about done. I drained it. I use ground chuck, of course, and I'm just using these little simple packs today. Nothing major. I told y'all I felt good anyway, so nothing major going on cooking. I have some steaks laid out. I was going to cook those, but I forgot. I forgot that it's Taco Tuesday around the world, so you got to have tacos today. So I'm just going to put this in here. I probably cooked about 2 pounds of it, so close to 2 pounds, because we like to have leftovers. We always like to have leftovers, because my daughter likes to make, she likes to make soft tacos, burritos, whatever. And you know what, that might be over 2 pounds, so I might have to add a little bit more taco seasoning to it. I like mine seasoned well. I don't like no bland. Can't have no bland Taco Tuesday, that's for sure. Got my shells all ready to go in the oven, because you know you have to bake those for about 5 or 6 minutes before you eat them. This is the ones I like to use. I like to use the Old El Paso. This is not a sponsored video. Feel free to email me, Old El Paso, if you would like to sponsor me. That would be fantastic. But we're also going to have, I like to cut up a lot of goodies to go with my tacos. I usually cut up onions. Let me show you what I got here. This is the green chili enchilada sauce. I like that as well. I like to put that on my soft tacos. It's so good. I've already got it out in a bowl, ready to go. But I'm just going to cut up some onion here. I like onions on my tacos, tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, you know, all of the good stuff. Just slice that right up. That's small enough, but you know what? I think I am going to cut a little bit more. And I don't know what happened to my cutting boards. I put them up because they were in the way when we had our big family Christmas gathering. And I honestly don't remember what I've done with them. Oh my God, that's a strong onion. Making my eyes water. So I'm using my counter. Alright, we're going to do some tomatoes. I got the little Roma tomatoes. I like those. They're my favorite because they're like nice and meaty. Oh, my eyes are still watering. They don't have as many as the, see, the seeds are real prominent in there. There's not a whole lot of seeds in there. And they're more, like I said, of a meaty tomato you know, the watery tomatoes. So that's why I like to use them. I like to use them in my salads too. You know what? I'll give me a little bite of one. Put a little salt on it. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Mmm. I just make my nose run. And we got some lettuce and ugh. I can't talk today, Olivia. I'm in here talking Chinese to him. I've already got some lettuce cut up that I cut up for salad yesterday. So I will just use that. Just cut these. My nose is running. Just like run my knife through it. Like I said, you gotta be careful. This knife is like super duper sharp. And we like tomatoes on ours. I got some sour cream. And I'm just going to put those right on the plate with my onions. And yes, I'm using a paper plate. Easy cleanup. Already got a bag of lettuce that, like I said, I cut up yesterday for salad. So I'm just going to run my knife through that. Just a little bit. Just to make it a little bit more small. Or smaller, not more small, for anyone who wants lettuce. My husband likes lettuce on his, so. Maybe a little more. And then I've also got lettuce right there. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Kind of like a serve yourself taco bar. And I've also got some jalapeno peppers. Yummy. Ooh, about dropped them. I'm going to cut these up because I like jalapenos on my tacos as well. So we're going to get chopping those. First, I'm going to, that one don't look too good. Just going to cut the end of it off. And then cut it down the middle there. And then I'm going to remove the seeds. You got to make sure you always wash your hands after you do that. And still, some of the juice remains on your hands. So make sure you don't pick your nose after doing that, boys and girls. And I'm just going to slice these up. And I got a smaller knife because I don't trust myself with that bigger knife with the jalapeno peppers. I'm just going to cut these up. I thought I already had some in the refrigerator, you know, the ones that are already cut, but I didn't. There you go, look at that. All nice and pretty for Taco Tuesday. Alright, the yummy meat is done. The taco shells are done. Good Lord, at the pile of cheese. I'm not judging. I'm just watching y'all make tacos. Let the old pros show you how it's done. Oh, good Lord, don't scrape my pan with that.
I bought the pan.
I don't care. You bought it for Christmas. Want to put some jalapenos on that?
No. I would suggest it if you don't like jalapenos.
Okay, let's go over here and watch them build the perfect taco. Alright guys, you can watch me build my tacos since everybody was starved to death and couldn't get the... I thought you were done.
No, do I done? Wait. I gotta think.
Wait, am I done or not?
Hold on.
Alright. Would you come on? I like to add a little lettuce. Just a little lettuce. Look at that. Look at all that meat I put in there. I need some taco holders. Some onion. I like a lot of onion on mine. I don't play when it comes to onion. Some tomatoes. Good Lord, you guys ate all that cheese?
Oh, I forgot my sauce. Darn it.
And some jalapenos. Look at that. Can you see it over my big arm going over? And I like to little bit of sauce, or sauce, what is that? Cheese, a little bit of cheese. I'm using the Mexican blend and the mild cheddar. Can you see that? Look how pretty those are. Taco Tuesday. Yummy.
A little bit.
Where's the hot?
It's right there.
I can't reach it. Somebody hold my tacos. Hold this.
What?
I don't really care what you hold it with.
Darn it. I missed my taco.
Oh my gosh, you certainly did. And then I like to drizzle it with a little bit of hot sauce.
Here.
Or a lot, really.
Mother, I need help.
I've told you that for years. Daughter, look at that. Look at all the light there. Look at that. Look how pretty these are. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like.
Mother, turn the
She's
camera off.
look at that.
Turn
She's
the
had
camera
problems
off.
over there.
Turn the camera
Make sure you
off.
like, share, and subscribe. And you know I love you guys all so very much. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.